Dream. Hey guys, it's me, G123. If you're looking at my inventory, where's my Frostbite, my Possessed Axe, my other exotics? Well, those are gone, because I have Corrupted Axe. You're like, that's a bad deal for you. I don't care. I got Corrupted Axe, it's the second rarest knife. And it's way
Hi.
Oh yay, I'm with Yon Cat Gaming. He was there to witness it because I shared my screen. And I showed him, well, this guy's better than me. My tummy kind of hurts because I did that, and I think it might have been a bad idea, but I don't care anymore.
Hey, are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Not a bad. Then it wasn't a bad idea.
Dream best tea. Dream. It's the best type. Well, it's not the rarest, but it's a good type.
We're playing the new Tycoon. Every time these people make a Tycoon, I'm playing it.
This. What? This. Frost is very hard. Oh. But but you gave me best knife in game.
It's only then the man realizes he made the stupidest trade of his life. He didn't realize Corrupted Axe was the rarest knife in the game.
But your values is more now. At least I got the Corrupted Axe of Legend. No more! He's like, thank you very much. I don't care about this anymore. He is a noob. He's only Prestige 3.
Then how did he get a Corrupted Axe?
I don't know. Maybe his friend was nice enough to trade him it for free. But that was a bad. Maybe his friend gave him some free stuff. But I feel like that was a good trade for me. Even though if I only gave him Holiday Blade and Possessed Axe, maybe I would have got something good out of it. But I guess I got the best knife in the game now.
She got jump scared by a worm.
Well, I guess this is a good trade for me. I've been working hard to try getting one of these. I've been trying to find people who have been stupid enough to trade me, so I guess this is a good trade for me.
Did you hear what I said?
No.
I got jump scared by a worm.
I'm looking at
And it
this.
ate me.
Literally, if people would think I was, I'm stupid to do that trade, but literally, this thing is better than Elegant Blade, basically. I don't
think it's that good, but
Elegant Blade is 28 exotics, but Elegant Blade is going down because more people are getting it. Jeremy is awesome. This orange kitty cat, the person who traded me, his inventory went down in value. And mine went up. I didn't trade Azure, thankfully.
good.
I traded Emerald Knight instead, which is, like, one of my most favorite knives in the game. But Corrupted Axe is my favorite knife, because it's the rarest.
I thought Skeleton King was.
I don't care. It's whatever. Skeleton King is my favorite. This is my second favorite. Possessed Axe my third favorite. And I don't know, but I spent a lot of time trying to get that Frostbite, but I didn't. I guess this was a good trade for me, because no, my child, you don't get that. Well, this kitty cat, I guess. Since I showed you guys my axe, I'm gonna join the cat, and the guy will never get back. Yeah, the guy will never get back his Corrupted Axe because I left.
How funny would it be if it's like your account is being hacked? Enjoy the loss of your corrupted axe.
That would be so
Have
sad.
like that.
That would be so upsetting. But
Like they hack your account,
but
take back corrupted axe, put a guild in place.
no, it's like they give me back all my knives and then they just don't have anything and they let me keep the corrupted axe. That would be
well.
stupid. Man, I feel like it's only an exotic, but it's way better because it's. I'm looking at the values. It's way better. Let's
It was
see.
just about 1 or 2 days ago you were saying how awesome it feels to hold corrupted axe.
I know how awesome it would feel to hold corrupted axe, and now I'm holding. I am holding it. Frostbite 13. So that's 13. Corrupted axe is 24. Yeah, so it's 20. Actually, no, it's not. Yeah, it is actually. It's really high in demand. Plus holiday, so that is 20. I lost a bit of value. I lost a bit of value, but it's way better because. Wait, I have this friend who's really good at Assassin who just got his new Elegant Blade. Because his Elegant Blade. So he's like, oh, I love this Elegant Blade. I'm gonna go on his server. I'm gonna be like, oh, hey, I got the corrupted axe.
Who?
This guy, Camils Los Hermano. I'm gonna go on his server. I'm gonna be like, oh, hey, I did a thing. I got it. Wait, are you? Oh, never mind. Like, I did a thing. And I got the knife. I joined his server. Oh. Hi. Oh, hi. Yeah, he doesn't have corrupted axe. I'm looking at his inventory. I bet he's looking at me like, how did you get that? I'm like, oh, hi, I did the thing. Where is he? I'm spectating him right now. Oh, he's AFK farming. Oh, hi. He's AFK farming. I was gonna be like, oh, hey, I was here and I got the thing. Let's see if he responds to my trade. And, like, I put in Corrupted Axe. He puts in, like, all of his exotic. He's like, he puts in, oh my gosh. And he puts in Water Elemental. And then he also puts in, like, his possessed axe, his holiday blade, all of his stuff. Oh, hi. I got this, and it was a thing. I got this. Knife. That is really rare. I got this knife that was really rare. I'm trying to ask you if it was a good trade for me. I would say congratulations. The other players, since my friend is AFK, like all the other players aren't even Prestige 2 yet, so I'm just like, and there I'm like, oh, hi guys. So, have you ever seen this knife before? Is that a legendary knife? Is like, no, it's an exotic, and it's the rarest exotic. It's like, oh, it is? Yeah!
What you need to explain to a noob what an exotic is.
Also, exotic! I like exotics. So, you don't even have a legendary. Oh, yeah, but I'm so close to getting one. I am really good at this game. Oh. Literally, I just wanted to do this recording to show. I keep doing videos where I get knives, and then I like 20 minutes later, I come back with a new knife. That's even better. Also, I just got the bone axe. So I just got the possessed axe. 20 minutes later, guys, I traded my best knives for corrupted axe, and then now I have people always trading me. if my friend was not AFK, he would be like, "How did you get that?" It's like, "Oh, I did a thing and I gave my knives." Now I only have these 5 exotics, but one of them is the best exotic, so I feel like
Yeah, it's the best exotic,
yeah, so I guess I should be happy because I still have like 4 more exotics with this, so I guess I'm happy because I still made profit. Because, wait, yeah, we both got the exact same value now. Wait, no, I have one more value.
Into like business.
This guy has one less value that I traded with. Well, the guy who I traded it with has one less value because there's 2. So I scammed him. No, I didn't scam him.
That really is a scam.
Well, I have one more value than the guy who I traded with. Mighty Zachary. Wait, this guy's name is Zachary Zach. So I'm just kidding. Mighty Zachary. And he only has a Magma, a Rainbow Seer, and an Ice Ancient, and a Lord Sinister, and a Neptune. Probably
That's
gonna
so
look
good.
And he's way higher level than me. He's like Prestige 21, and I'm only Prestige 14, and I have a Corrupted Axe. Dude, I don't like it. No. Puts in Flame
Did you just
Mace.
say you don't like Corrupted Axe?
No, he puts in, this guy put in a Flame Mace and expects to get my Corrupted Axe.
Oh.
No, this is worth, like, so Flame Maces. This is worth 4 Flame Maces. Like, dude, why would I want that if it's terrible and my knives are way better? Like, you can't expect me to give you everything. It's like, oh, hey, man, Dylan, I'm sorry, but when you were better than me, like, I don't know, at Halloween, when Halloween was around, and now I'm way better than you.
In 2016, I was better than you.
2017.
Yeah, like, that's when Halloween was. It was like Halloween.
Yeah, he had 1 exotic and I had nothing.
In 2016.
Now I have, like, way better. No, 2017.
You were still pretty good in Halloween, though.
No, I only had, like, 1 legendary. Which was
Oh,
zombie. I only had zombie. I'm just gonna do the parkour real quick. Then I'm gonna end off my video. That's, like, so funny, though. Like, they didn't know the value. They didn't know the values, so they were like, "Thank you so much. That was such a good trade for me." I was like, "Yeah, it was, but it was even better."
What did they do?
They were like, "What type is dream? Frostbite?" I said, "It's a dream. It's really rare." He's like, "Oh, okay. Thank you so much." I'm like, "Yeah, but you traded me the rarest knife in the game." He's like, "Oh, okay then. I guess I lost it." But that's fine, because my knives are better now. I mean, my value went up like a lot more.
Sorry. No, also get down. It's okay, go sit down. Well, there's a fine.
No, I'm trying to do the parkour. Oh well, that is all for this guy. Guys, I hope you all enjoy and leave a like on the video. And I will see you later. Bye.